Well, it's another day. It's another open day. It's an open house at Montemur. One of our faves, actually, Sean, isn't it, today? And we're kind of doing a bit of a kind of a behind the scenes of what goes into an open house, why we're doing an open house, and how it's been so far. It's a lovely day, isn't it?
Beautiful day.
Gorgeous.
Could not have asked for a better day. The sun is shining. The sea is blue, as it should be. But no, it's been busy, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's
We've
been a
just
really
had
good day.
people have just come in, and most I think have left us now.
Yeah, it's been we've had a lot of agents come up, which is good because a lot of agents we're finding are just starting to get to know what Montemur is. We're putting it on the map, and they're actually really impressed when they come here as well.
It's incredible how many agents still don't know about it.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Yeah, and they come up and they go, wow, I've lived here for 15 years and I never knew this was here. And you're like, oh, really?
Yeah,
But,
sure.
no, good.
So today we've got Casa. We're Casa. For there, we are Casago
Yes.
in Montemur, and this one was 2009 built. Back in the day of the early, we call it some of the legacy villas, really, aren't they? And these are the traditional Andalusian style.
Yeah.
And it's been a busy day. We've set up, we've done the catering, we've put some music on, we've made it look lovely, and the owners have kind of led us to it today. So we
God
could have
help them.
I know, we could have had a huge party.
We did.
Well, we did in the swimming pool.
But it'll look like nothing's happened.
No, absolutely.
No, but this house is great. It's so solid. There's nothing wrong with it at all. It's a beautiful house. It's been reduced now in price to, I think, a fantastic price.
Yeah, and really the owners are just wanting to move on. They've had it since new, they've had it built, and they're getting to a point of their lives now where they say, well, we're going to downsize, we're going to do more travelling.
Happens to us all.
It does.
That generational change.
Yeah, happened to you, didn't it? What we've got here, though, it is a family home, but you've got a sweeping drive, which I
love this
really love.
driveway.
Yeah.
So impressive, isn't
It
it?
is. You've got parking space or a turning point there. You've got a sweeping staircase that goes up to the main entrance as well, which makes it quite imposing this side.
Yeah, it does.
Basement underneath, double garage, or a garage for, I'd say, a good couple of cars. Two? One and a half. Oh, God. Now, I've seen this a lot in Montemur, Sean.
The railway sleepers.
No, the stone.
The tile.
Yeah, the tiles.
Do you know what this is? This is Portuguese marble.
Yeah. Does it come from Portugal? Do you think
I
they get it
assume
from
so
Portugal?
if it's Portuguese.
Yeah. What if they ship it in?
They hand lay this, and apparently, because they've got it on all the sidewalks in Montemur, it cost a fortune.
A kind of a homely feel. It's not one of these grand mansions, is it?
No,
it's
not. It's not that kind of
a
house.
really nice, friendly size.
feels like a home.
It does.
It feels like a home. And you come into this room, which is the main living area, which is fairly open plan, isn't it? With the lounge, the diner, and the kitchen, and then you get this beautiful garden, pool, and sea view.
Now, a lot of agents have said today on the open house today, when was it last refurbished? And I said, actually, it hasn't been refurbished. Kitchen was upgraded about 5 years ago, but the floors, beautifully kept, beautifully maintained. Everything is as is.
Yeah.
So they've really looked after this property. But again, we had the catering today. We did a bit of food for our collaborating agents, didn't we? And any
Still
guests
some
coming.
left.
There is. There's a few nibbles
strawberries.
over there. Yeah.
A few strawberries and a bit of celery. There you go.
So as we come outside, lovely covered terrace.
Oh, nice breeze, isn't it?
It is, isn't it? And you've got that commanding view there. It's a really nice view, actually, isn't it? And whether or not, I mean, some feedback has been with this shearing to the side. Oh, shame you haven't got the west views. But actually, in the summer, with the intense sun and the heat, that's a welcomed, I think, area to the house.
It's interesting, isn't it? Because I live in a villa that's east, and then a south section like this, really. And I don't miss that westerly sun. I know a lot of Northern Europeans like the sunsets, but it's very rare to find a house that faces each direction.
Yeah.
Normally, to get a house like that, you need to be on top of the hill.
Yeah.
And then you're looking at several million euros more for the privilege.
Sure.
I think for the price of this house, that's one compromise I would certainly be willing to make.
Yeah. So this is an exclusive listing. This is why we've done the open house today as well, isn't it? It's to draw attention to it, get people here, let them know what the value for money they're getting. And in fact, for Montemur, for this price point, for this type of house, it's really good value now, isn't
I think
it?
this is the best value in Montemur. I think there's one or two that are cheaper price-wise, but I think for what you get for your money, because people often confuse cheap with value. It's not the same thing. No. So yeah, there's a couple that are cheaper, but I think this is the best value in Montemur at the moment.
It's a solid house. A testament, really. I mean, for time, some properties you might get humidity in the basement, things like that.
Yeah.
This is a really clean, solid property.
You won't find fault with this, and you always find fault with the house. There's always something. There is on mine, there's little things, but this, you walk in and go, This is great. It's almost like new, which is crazy for the age that it is.
Yeah.
It's
Good stuff. Yeah, it's been a good day.
Yep.
Happy
Excellent.
so far?
Very happy.
Got a few more people coming, so
know.
we'll have a chat with
I
them
know.
in just a second as
What
well.
time do they call this?
I know, a little
I've
bit
still
late.
got 10 minutes.